Ooh, Ford Mustang. Look what we got going on. We're doing a Dakota digital dash installation. Guess I'll leave wire down here. Look at my solder. Look at what happened to my solder. Everywhere. Yep, so we rounding the bend now. Had to take these panels out so the dash will fit in there. Take the little turn signals out. And then Dukes of Dale. We added a sensor there for water temp and a sensor down here for oil pressure. We got the tack wire inside, and we got a speedo wire coming from the speedometer cable. Take the speedometer cable, it's got this rigmarole you put all up in there that doesn't fit, and you have to do a bunch of hacking, and it's a pain in the ass. It's pretty awesome. But we almost there. We getting there. We got this box over here yet. We're gonna wire it all in, and everything's pretty much self-explanatory. Explanation-oratory. Yeah. So we just gonna go in here, and now we got to connect all the wires. And I think we got to run a ground yet for the fuel sender. Let's check this out. We had to hack a bunch of stuff off the back of the bezel, all these tips that stick out so it would fit in there flush. There's my job for the block off plate, which just makes shinies right there. But we got it all adjusted up. Bam. That's gonna look sweet. Be able to pull the plastic, set the dash back in her, and get her wired up. Really odd. Oh, and happy 4th of July.